afternoon. I know I'm starting the vlog, the weekly vlog, kind of late, but yeah, I don't know, guys. Quarantine has just been so repetitive. I really have nothing new doing, so but just know about a vlog, okay? But anyways, there's nothing exciting really going on. I just feel like, I miss you guys, so I'm just talking to y'all. Right now I just clean the kitchen. I'm gonna sweep. Then we're gonna make some cherry and probably some cherry and mango juice. Yeah, but nothing new now going. I did just want to say hi. So, oh yes, breeze are blowing. Like, can you hear that? Like, I am in the kitchen. We are not far from the grill. Yet still during the fall, it's blowing and it reached me through the window. So y'all must know. But yeah, breeze feel nice and all these things, so I'm not complaining. I don't know. I think we have longed for some of this breeze for a while. So yes, it's long overdue. Hi guys, what do you match? Hi. What's up? What do you know about the match? What's been going on?
Absolutely nothing.
I know. They play cricket and we don't know what we are going.
We don't need to learn.
I know say Kenji them win. Kenji and him team, they win the first round, them are going the second round, whatever them do. Don't know. But let's hope they win. We're the cheerleaders. Shall we?
No,
cheerleader.
Very bad cheerleaders.
We don't really cheer. But yeah. Let's go kids. Woo! Anyways. See Kenji there. See if we can spot out nobody else. See
Shadow over there.
Big Ed Nash. Nosh. Eva Chat. Nosh. Nash! See, she had chat so much she can't even hear me. Nash!
You know how long you have to call you? If you ever hear what they say for you, Bobby.
You here? Nothing.
When you
You
watch
here?
it, you see.
I love you. Mwah. Then, what do put the extra nis? What do put the extra nis? Kuya.
Hi, people.
Hi. Who are you? Why are you on my camera?
Actually, I only cheerleader today.
Say, I want on that chair. Anyways, see, AJ write this song, the one that
Yes, no, we
AJ.
pin you alone. Now you feel help Daniel and I help the other one.
No. Oh, I think Chad the way over this one. I can't see you. In the right this one. Wanna see? The one the right this one. The shots. But anyways, you can't see nobody else. Game of guan.
You don't get coffee.
He does a lot of stuff. Jason, period. Deli. Period. Brennan, you do realize our past with Jason, quite a bit of competition. You have Jason and Theo.
Alright, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in next week's vlog, also on Friday's video. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe down below. Love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.